Hey guys, welcome back in another video. Hope you are doing well. If you are a beginner and wants to know about UHRS, then this video is for you. As I have shared all the important details in the video that needed to be known as a beginner. So make sure you watch the video till the end as you will learn a lot from the video. So let's jump into the video. Full form of UHRS is Universal Human Relevance System. UHRS is a crowdsourcing platform by Microsoft where you earn money by doing different types of tasks. You cannot register directly with UHRS. To get access to UHRS, you will need a vendor. Vendor is a company who gives you access to UHRS. In simple words, vendor or company acts like a door between you and UHRS. Right now, as I am making this video, there are 5 vendors or companies which gives you access to UHRS. Before, there were 8 to 9 companies, but now there are 5. Appen, Clickworker, OneForma, Teamwork and Toloka. You can join UHRS by any of these companies. After signing into UHRS, you get landed on a marketplace like this. Now marketplace is a place where you access different types of projects. The types of projects you get on UHRS are related to search relevance, text annotation, image annotation, video annotation, speech transcription, product testing and other types of work which does not fall in any of these categories. If you want to work on specific type of projects category, then you can open that category and you will see all the projects related to that category. Like if we open search relevance, we will get all the projects related to search relevance. Or if we open text annotation, then we will see all the projects related to text annotation. Or if you want to see all categories projects in one place, then you will click on all button and you will see all the projects that are available in your whole marketplace. From here, you can also filter out the projects. Like if you want to see new projects, then click on new. If you want to see mobile app only projects, then click on mobile app only. Meaning you can filter out things here of your choice. If you want to find any project easy and your favorite, then from here you can bookmark that project. And that project will be added to bookmarked section. And in future, it will be easy for you to find that project and can work on it by just going to bookmarked section here. Now let's understand about hit apps and how you will work on them. Now all these projects you are seeing on UHRS, these projects are called hit apps. Now this every single project called hit app. This hit app is different, this hit app is different, and this hit app is different. These are all different hit apps. Now in order to work on any of these hit apps, the first thing you will need to do is to download its guidelines. You will download the guidelines from this arrow icon. After this, you will read the guidelines and you will understand what you are expected to do in that hit app. Now keep one thing in your mind. In order to be successful on UHRS, reading and understanding the guidelines is key. Although they are lengthy and boring, but you will have to read them and understand them well. After reading the guidelines, you will work on that hit app. Some hit apps will offer you training before qualification. In training, you will learn about the hit app and you will learn how you will work on this hit app. And then you will have to qualify for that hit app. You will have to pass the qualification in order to start working on that hit app. Some hit apps won't offer you training. You will directly have to qualify, and some won't ask you for qualification. You can directly start working on that hit app. But these kinds of hit apps will be very less, which won't ask you for qualification. This button is also a training button. If the hit app offers you training, then from this button you will train yourself. This is a preview button. From this button too, you can preview the hits and can check how the hit app looks like. This is a feedback button. From this, if you find any issue in the hit app, you can report the problem from here. Here are the number of hits written. Hits meaning tasks, means number of tasks available in this hit app. Now in this hit app, 100 hits available. The more hits are available, the more work will be available and the more money you will make. Here is the price per hit is written. Now this price is different for every hit app. As for this hit app, you will earn $0.02 per hit. As in this hit app, 100 hits are available. So if you complete all these 100 hits, you will earn $2. I hope you understand. Now here is the time spent written. Time spent means the minimum time you will need to spend for every single hit. As for this hit app, the minimum time spent is 5 seconds. Meaning you will have to spend at least 5 seconds on every single hit before submitting it. If you will submit the multiple hits before this minimum time spent, you may get speed ban. I will talk about types of bans later in the video, so stick out there. Now the minimum time spent for every hit app is different, but you must make sure you spend this time on every single hit. Now let's understand the types of hits you will face. There are basically three types of hits: spam hits, normal hits, and RTA hits. Now spam hits are those hits that measure your spam accuracy. Now what is spam accuracy and how it is measured? Spam accuracy is there to measure your quality score on that hit app, meaning it is there to know that you are working right on the hit app or wrong. The more spam accuracy you will have, the more it will be good for you. The spam accuracy measurement is different for every single hit app. Some hit app will require 70% or above in order to qualify and keep working. Some will require 80% and some will even require 90%. Now how is your spam accuracy measured? Your spam accuracy will be measured on the basis of how many spam hits you faced. For example, you faced 10 spam hits and you got 8 right and 2 wrong. Then your spam accuracy will be 80%. And one thing to keep in mind, that your spam accuracy is measured with only spam hits, not with normal hits. For example, you got 20 hits in total. 15 hits out of them were normal hits and 5 hits out of them were spam hits. Now your spam accuracy will be measured by those 5 spam hits. If you did all those 5 hits right, then your spam accuracy will be 100%. And the other 15 hits you have done are normal hits. So even if you have did them wrong, your accuracy won't be affected. Same on the other hand, if you did all those 5 spam hits wrong, then your spam accuracy will be 0. Even if you have done other 15 hits right. But you cannot judge which one is spam hit and which one is normal hit, as they both comes in the same way. So the only way to have a good spam accuracy is you read guidelines well and work according to their instructions. I hope you got my point. Now the number 2 type of hit is normal hit. These hits are normal hits. You are getting paid because of these normal hits. The number 3 type of hit is RTA hit. RTA hits are just like spam hits, but they don't affect your spam accuracy. They are there to give you an idea that if you are doing hits right or wrong. Now let me tell you about the types of bans you will face in UHRS. Now there are 2 types of bans there: temporary disable and permanent disable. With most hit apps, when you get 2 temporary disables day after day, then the third one is permanent. So in order to avoid permanent disable, when you get the first temporary ban, then don't work on that hit app for the next 30 days. Then after 30 days, you can start working again on that hit app and avoid those mistakes again. If you again get temporary ban, then again don't work on that hit app for the next 30 days. So in case if you get permanent ban, then there is only way to get access back to that hit app is if the hit app owner reset the hit app. Now let me tell you how you will check how much you have earned and what is your spam accuracy. Go to the report section. Here you can find your spam accuracy and can check how much you have earned. And from here you can filter it out to select the date range to check. So these were the important details that needed to be know as a beginner. If you still have any question or any problem, you can ask me on my Instagram page. I have given its link in the description below. So meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, happy earnings and thanks for watching.